Now we are doing Cramer's rule involving three unknown variables. If a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3 in three unknown x, y, z, then x equal to dx upon d, y equal to dy upon d, and z equal to dz upon d, provided d is not equal to 0. So this is basically used to find the values of three variables. These are all linear equation because I think the power of x, y and z in each of it is 1. If it is two equations and if you have to find the values of x and y, I think you have done a concept called simultaneous equation where you can solve simultaneously. Even you have done Cramer's rule in 10th standard with reference to two variables x and y. Now this is an extended version where we are having three variables x, y and z. So if you use Cramer's rule, you can find the values of x, y and z by using the formula x equal to dx upon d, y equal to dy upon d and z equal to dz upon d. If these are the three equations given with variables x, y and z, your d will be equal to a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 followed by a3, b3 and c3. Then dx will be, what you do is you cover the coefficient of x or the x variables, and in the place of x you write d1, d2, d3, and y variables or the coefficient of y will be the same, it will not change, c1, c2 and c3. Now if I want to find dy means I am not supposed to write the coefficients of y. Instead of writing the coefficient of y, I should replace it with d1, d2, d3. So this will be a1, a2, a3. b1 नहीं आएगा because b1, b2, b3 are related to y. तो उसके जगह में you write d1, d2, d3. But c1, c2 and c3 will remain unchanged. dz. dz means don't write the coefficient of z. Instead of writing c1, c2, c3, replace it with d1, d2, d3. So this will be a1, a2, a3 followed by b1, b2, b3. dz है ना, तो z का coefficient c1, c2, c3 नहीं लिखना, उसके जगह में you write d1, d2 and d3. Okay. Now you have to solve d. Open the determinant, find the value of d. Open the determinant dx, find the value for dx. Open the determinant dy, find the value for dy. Open the determinant dz, find the value of dz. And then you can say that x equal to dx upon d followed by y equal to dy upon d and z will be equal to dz upon d. Having done this, you will be getting the value of x, y and z, but on one condition. When you open up the determinant of d, the answer should not be equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then you cannot solve because anything upon 0 is not defined. Question number 1, it says that solve the following equations using Cramer's rule. Okay. So this is the equation given. The first equation is x plus 2y minus z equal to 5. Second one is 2x minus y plus z equal to 1. And third is 3x plus 3y equal to 8 दिया है. So we have to take 0z because I think the coefficient of z is missing. So you should have x, y and z also. If they have not given the coefficient of z, you take it as 0z. Now first we will find out what is d. d means 1, 2, 3, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 1 and 0. You have to open this determinant. This will be 1 determinant. Okay. This will be minus 1, 1, 3, 0, minus 2. This will be 2, 1, 3, 0, plus minus 1. And this will be 2 minus 1 3 3. अब इसको solve करो. 1, this will be 0 into minus 1 minus 1 into 3 minus 2, 2 into 0, minus 1 into 3, minus 1, 2 into 3, minus 1 into 3. So what do we get? This will be 1, 0 into anything will give you 0, minus 3. This is minus 2, 2 into 0, 0, minus 3, minus 1, 2 3s are 6, minus into minus plus 3. So we get 1 into minus 3, minus 2 into minus 3, minus 1 into 9. So this is minus 3, this is plus 6, and this is minus 9. So I think the answer for this will be minus 6. Let's go for dx. dx means you have x, y and z. लेकिन मैं x का कोएफिशिएंट नहीं लिखेगा. x के जगह में x का कोएफिशिएंट के जगह में I'll write 5, 1 and 8. y will remain as it is 2, minus 1 and 3, and z will be minus 1, 1 and 0. Let's open this. 5 determinant, minus 1, 1, 3, 0, minus 2, 1, 1, 8, 0, plus minus 1, determinant 1, minus 1, 8, 3. So this is 5. This will be minus 1 into 0, that is 0, minus 1 into 3, the answer will be 3, minus 2, 1 into 0 is 0, 8 into 1 will give you 8, plus into minus minus, 3 into 1 will give you 3, minus 8 into minus 1 will give you minus 8. So this becomes 5 multiplied by minus 3, minus 2 multiplied by minus 8, minus 1, and I think this is 3 plus 8. So I get this as minus 15, this is plus 16, and I hope this is minus 11. So we get minus 15 minus 11, which is minus 26, minus 26 plus 16, the answer is minus 10. Let's go for dy. dy is determinant. This is x, y, z, but I am not going to write the coefficient of y. X का coefficient is 1, 2, 3. Z का coefficient is minus 1, 1 and 0. Y का coefficient नहीं लिखेगा, उसके जगह में I'll write 5 and 8. So I'll get dy equal to 1 determinant minus 5 determinant plus minus 1 determinant. So the circle, I think this is 1, 1, 8, 0. 5 means I think it is 2, 1, 3, 0. And this will be 2, 1 and 3, 8. So I get dy equal to 1. 1 into 0 is 0. Minus 8 into 1 is 8. Minus 5. 2 into 0 is 0. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 1. 8 into 2 is 16. Minus 3 into 1 is 3. So I get my dy as 1 minus 8 minus 5 minus 3 minus 1 into 13. So dy will be equal to minus 8 plus 15 minus 13. I think my dy will be minus 8 minus 13. कितना आएगा? Minus 21. Minus 21 plus 15. The answer is minus 6. Let's go for dz. dz you will have x, y and z. z नहीं आएगा. z के जगह में you will have d1, d2, d3. x का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? 1, 2, 3. y का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? 2, minus 1, 3. z तो नहीं लिख सकते, उसके जगह में क्या लिखेगा? 5, 1 and 8. dz equal to 1 determinant minus 2 determinant plus 5 determinant. तो सर्कल किया. 1 means I think this is minus 1, 1, 3 and 8. 2 means I think it is 2, 1, 3, 8. 5 means I think it is 2, minus 1, 3, 3. So what is dz? 1. 1 into minus 8, minus 8, minus 1 into 3 is 3, minus 2, 8 into 2 will give you 16, 1 into 3 will give you 3, plus 5, I think this is 6 minus 3. dz will be 1, minus 11, minus 2, 13, plus 5, 6 plus 3, minus of minus 3, 6 plus 3, that is equal to 9. So I get dz equal to minus 11, minus 26, plus 45. So dz will be minus 37, plus 45. So that means my dz has to be equal to 8. I want to find the values of x, y and z. I will say that d equal to, what is the value of d I got? D was minus 6, dx minus 10, dy here, this is dy minus 6, and finally dz equal to 8. So my x will be equal to dx upon d, which is equal to minus 10 upon minus 6, which is nothing but 5 by 3. My y will be equal to dy upon d, dy minus 6 upon minus 6, I think the answer is positive 1, and z equal to dz upon d, dz is 8 upon d will be minus 6, the answer will be minus 4 by 3. Let's start. D equal to, write the coefficient of x, coefficient of y and coefficient of z. This is 2, 3, 8, minus 1, 4, minus 7, 6, minus 5, minus 9. So open up. 2, determinant, minus 1, determinant, plus 6, determinant. 2 means I think this is 4, minus 5, minus 7, minus 1. This is 3, minus 5, 8, minus 9. This is 3, 4, 8, minus 7. So this is 2, this is minus 36, minus 7 5s are 35, minus of minus 1 will give me plus 1. This will be minus 27, minus 40, plus 6, minus 21, minus 32. So this is 2, I hope this is minus 71, plus 1, this is minus 27, plus 40, plus 6, and I think this is minus 53. So this is minus 142 plus 1 into this difference is 13. So I think this will be 13 and this will be negative. I hope this is 318. Therefore the final answer should be negative 447. Now let's go for dx. You got x, y and z, but you're not going to write the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x ke jagah you will write 10, 11, 12. Y will be minus 1, 4, minus 7 and z will be 6, minus 5, minus 9. देखो dx लिखेगा तो x का कोएफिशिएंट मत लिखो, x के कोएफिशिएंट के जगह में राइट d1, d2, d3. Let's open this. This is 10, determinant, minus 1, determinant, plus 6, determinant. So I circle this. 10 means I think I'll have 4, minus 5, minus 7, minus 9. This is 11, minus 5, 12, minus 9. 6 means this will be 11, 4, 12 and minus 7. So this is 10. ये शायद minus 36 आएगा. Minus 7 into minus 5 is plus 35. Okay, plus 1. I think this is minus 99 minus 12 into minus 5 will give you minus 60 plus 6. I think this is minus 77 minus 48. So this is 10 minus 36. Minus into plus will give you minus 35 plus 1. This is minus 99 plus 60 plus 6 minus 125. Okay, so this is 10. ये शायद माइनस 71 है, ये प्लस 1 है, तो ये शायद माइनस 39 आएगा प्लस 6 इंटू minus 125. I think this is minus 710, this is minus 39, and I think this is minus 750. The answer for this is minus 1499. Okay, let's go for dy, determinant x, y, z. We will not write the coefficient of y. X is 2, 3, 8, z is 6, minus 5, minus 9. y तो नहीं लिखेगा, लेकिन उसके जगह में मैं d1, d2, d3 लिखेगा, 10, 11 and 12. So this is 2 determinant minus 10 determinant plus 6 determinant. 2 means this is 11 minus 5, 12 minus 9, minus 10 means this is 3 minus 5, 8 minus 9, 6 means this is 3, 11, 8 and 12. So let's open this. You get this as minus 99 minus 12 into minus 5 is minus 60, minus 10, this is minus 27 minus 40, and I think this is plus 6, this is 36 minus 88. So this is 2, this is minus 99 plus 60, minus 10, minus 27 plus 40 plus 6, 36 minus 88, I hope it is 52, but I think 88 is having a negative sign, the bigger number is having negative sign, so I think minus 52. I think this is 2, ये शायद minus 39 आएगा, minus 10, I think this is 13 plus 6 into minus 52. I think this is minus 78 minus 130. This is negative. 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30, 31. Negative 520. Next is we can go for dz. You will have x, y, z. z तो नहीं आएगा. Okay, z के जगह में d1, d2, d3 आएगा. So this is 2, 3, 8. Y is minus 1, 4, minus 7. And this is 10, 11 and 12. So this is 2 determinant minus 1 determinant plus 10 determinant. So this is 4, 11, minus 7, 12. This is 3, 11, 8 and 12, and this is 3, 4, 8 and minus 7. This is 2, I think this is 48 plus 77 plus 1, I think this is 36 minus 88 plus 10, I think this is minus 21 minus 30. This is 125 into 2, 250. 36 minus 88 is minus 52, and this will be minus 32 and 21 is 53, 530. The answer for this will be minus 332. The value for D is negative 447 The value for dx is minus 1499. The value for dy is minus 520, and the value for dz is minus 332. So my x equal to dx upon d, which is minus 1499 upon minus 447, that is 1499 upon 447. Y equal to dy upon d, that is minus 520 upon negative 447, that is 520 upon 447, and z equal to dz upon d, that is minus 332 upon negative 447, that is 332 upon 447. So these are 1 upon x, 1 upon y, 1 upon z equal to minus 2, 1 upon x minus 2 upon y plus 1 upon z equal to 3, 2 upon x minus 1 upon y plus 3 upon z equal to 1. These are not linear equation because the power of x is not 1, the power of x is minus 1. 1 upon x है ना, तो 1 upon x means x का power 1 नहीं रहेगा, x का power minus 1 रहेगा. So what we will do is we'll make an assumption, let p equal to 1 upon x, q equal to 1 upon y, and r equal to 1 upon z. So ये जो equation है ना, that will get converted into p, q and r. So automatically it will become a linear equation. So this is p plus q plus r equal to minus 2, followed by 1 upon x na, p minus 2 upon y is 2q plus r, that is equal to 3. 2 upon x means 2p, 1 upon y means q plus 3r equal to minus 1. अभी अपना normal procedure, let's find out what is d. So previously I was writing x, y and z, now I will start writing p, q and r. So p का coefficient will be 1, 1 and 2. q का coefficient will be 1, minus 2, minus 1. r का coefficient will be 1, 1 and 3. Let's open up. This is 1, determinant 1, determinant 1. Okay, this will be plus, this will be minus and this will be plus. So ये 1 का I think it will be minus 2, 1, minus 1, 3. This will be 1, 1, 2, 3, and last will be 1, minus 2, 2, minus 1. तो ये आएगा 1, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1, 3 ones are 3, minus 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1. I think 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 4 आएगा, because 2 into minus 2 will give you minus 4. This is 1, this is minus 6 plus 1, minus 1 into 1 plus 1, and this is minus 1 plus 4. I think this is minus 6 into 1. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 into 1, the answer is minus 5. This is minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So I think the answer will be positive 3. So minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3, the answer is minus 3. Next we can find dp. dp में p, q और r आएगा, लेकिन p नहीं आएगा. p के जगह में you will have the coefficient, that is you will have d1, d2 and d3. So this will be minus 2, 3, minus 1. q will be 1, minus 2, minus 1. r will be 1, 1 and 3. Chalo, let's open this. This is minus 2, determinant, minus 1, determinant, plus 1, determinant. Okay. So ये सर्कल किया तो ये आएगा minus 2, 1, minus 1, 3, 3, 1, minus 1, 3. 1 means I think it is 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1. तो ये हो गया minus 2. I think this is minus 3 into, sorry, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, minus 1. This is 3 into 3 is 9, minus 1 into minus 1, which is minus 1, plus 1. I think this is minus 3, minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. So I get this as minus 2. This is minus 6 plus 1, minus 1, 9 plus 1, plus 1 and minus 5. This is minus 2 into minus 5, minus 1 into 10 and this is minus 5. तो ये हो जाएगा minus 10, ये भी हो गया minus 10, sorry ये plus 10 होगा, I'm sorry. This is plus 10, this is minus 10, this is minus 5, minus 10 plus 10 cut. I think the answer will be minus 5. Let's solve dq. dq means you should have p, q and r. q का coefficient नहीं आएगा. p का coefficient is 1, 1, 2. r का coefficient is 1, 1, 3. q तो नहीं लिखेगा, but I think you'll have to write minus 2, 3 and minus 1. Okay, let's open this. dq will be equal to 1 determinant minus 2 determinant plus 1 determinant. Okay, so circle. 1 means I think this is 3, 1, minus 1, 3. Minus 2 means 1, 1, 2, 3. This 1 means I think it is 1, 3, 2, minus 1. That means the value of dq will be 1. I think this is 9, 3 3s are 9, minus minus 1, bracket close, plus 2. I think this is 3 minus 2, plus 1. I think this is minus 1, minus 6. So your dq will be 1. 9 minus of minus 1 is 9 plus 1, which is 10. Plus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, plus 1 into minus 7. dq will be 10 plus 2 minus 7. I think the value of dq will be 5. Let's start with dr. dr means you should have p, q and r. p will be, r तो नहीं आएगा, p will be 1, 1, 2, q will be 1, minus 2, minus 1 and r will be minus 2, 3 and minus 1. If you solve this, you do it as homework, the value of dr will be equal to 6. Okay. Now let's find the value of p, q and r. P equal to dp upon d. What is dp? dp is here, minus 5, d, I think d is here, which is minus 3. Therefore, the answer will be 5 by 3. q will be dq upon d. dq, which is 5 upon minus 3, the answer is minus 5 by 3. r will be equal to dr upon d. That is 6 upon 6. The answer is equal to 1. r equal to dr upon d, which is equal to 6 upon minus 3. The answer is minus 2. We got the value of p as 5 by 3, q as minus 5 by 3, r equal to minus 2. Can I say that p equal to 5 by 3, p is supposed to be 1 upon x, which is equal to 5 by 3. Cross multiply. Take x to this side and take 5 down. You should get 3 equal to 5x. So you get 3 upon 5 equal to x. Then you will have q equal to minus 5 by 3. 1 upon y equal to minus 5 by 3. Y equal to minus 3 by 5. Then you have got r equal to minus 2. R is what? 1 upon z equal to minus 2. Therefore, z equal to minus 1 upon 2.